Hey, what's going on, guys? Leighton here, and if you don't know who I am a Shopify dropshipper. I have been in the game for 6 years. I've done over $1.5 million in the past 12 months alone with Facebook ads and Shopify. So this video is going to be about why dropshipping can be your way out from getting 9 to 5. That was kind of my entire goal and reason for starting dropshipping, and it's evolved so much more than that. But yeah, if you're like, I don't know, at a 9 to 5 now, or maybe in college and about to start your 9 to 5 career, watch this video. It might help you out. So we're going to talk about 3 reasons why dropshipping, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to start being self-employed and escaping the 9 to 5. So number 1, let's see where this shows up on my screen. Okay, so number 1 is very low capital. What the heck? There it is. Wait, why can't I draw on here? Okay, there we go. Sorry. So it's very low capital. I think to start, let's see, Shopify plans $39 a month. Facebook ads, $50 a day when you're testing products. I like to test one product a week, so like $50 to $100 a week. And then, I mean, what other costs? I mean, obviously your time being spent, learning things and testing the business model. So $39 for Shopify, $50 to run ads. I mean, there's not much other things. Maybe like ChatGPT. We'll put like another T for like tools, like marketing tools. But most of it's gonna be your time, right? With any business model. Also, I want to touch on. Actually, we'll get to that in a sec. But number 2 is it's a low risk. So what's your risk here? When you start a business and you're spending $39 and $50, that's your risk. It's no more complicated than that. You're risking $39 and you're risking $50. Like that's it, guys. I don't need to talk about it any more than that. Why can't I zoom in? It's not much more complicated. You're risking $39 a month and then $50 on ads. So what I did in college was I would wash cars and I would charge $125 per car. I would wash 5 cars a week. I would grab that money and put it into ads. So I was able to spend way more than $50 a week. But starting off $50 a week is totally fine. And then the rest of your time is spent learning skills, which we'll talk about in a sec. Actually, now. So number 3, it is easy. Wow. It is easy to learn in comparison to other careers. I'm not saying this is easy. I'm saying it's easier to learn compared to other careers. So, for example, if I want to be a doctor, I need to, 1, go to school. And then what is that? That's a risk because I need to pay a lot of money to get a degree and then become a doctor. Business, on the other hand, you're better off. I learned this from Alex Ramosi. You're better off paying a business owner to teach you how to run a business, so you can have your own business. So you're over here with your new business, rather than having to pay a school, and then get a degree, and then you go start your own business. Like you can skip this and just spend way less money on school and start your own business. And this works with any business. You just go learn from the people that are already doing it. Okay? So dropshipping is low capital, low risk, and easy to learn. I don't know another business. This is why it was so attractive to me, 6 years ago on to get started in dropshipping. I mean, it was all online. Everything is online. My MacBook is sitting right there. My entire business is based off my MacBook. I can pick up and go anywhere. I can leave. I don't have to set an alarm in the morning. There's so many benefits, which I kind of want to move into another tangent here, is like you can leverage so many things when you have a digital marketing business. When you're running ads online, your money is working around the clock, 24 hours a day. You're running ads and you're producing sales 24 hours of the day. I don't know another 9 to 5. Well, you're getting paid 9 to 5, right? I don't know another job where you're going to be getting paid every single hour while you're sleeping and while even days when you're sick and you're not working. So digital marketing is amazing. We can put our ads in front of people at a low cost. And if you do that right, you can easily turn a profit on your Shopify store. It's the numbers are not difficult. Like the profit numbers and understanding the business model is very, very simple. You have revenue, you have cost of goods sold, and you have marketing expenses. And the rest is profit. It gets a little bit more complicated when you start buying more inventory. But really, it's not that difficult. And it has taught me a lot about business just in general. So it's just a great way to open doors. You can turn dropshipping stores into brands. You can pump and dump stores. You can you can move away from dropshipping and start working with a 3PL and build a real brand. And there's a lot you can do. I'm kind of going on a tangent here, but I just needed to reflect on the business model and kind of remember why I started dropshipping and where I'm at now and why it's still alive and it's people saying it's dead and that they just don't know what they're doing. They give up. Like, it's not easy. Again, it's not an easy business model, which I don't think most businesses are easy. They're competitive, and you got to be better than your competition, and you got to learn and implement new strategies and things. So, yeah, that's it for this video. Kind of all over the place, I feel like, but yeah, I mean, dropshipping can get you out from any struggles you're at right now. Relatively low cost, guys. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them below. And yeah, take it easy. See ya.